Let's make this car diffuser recipe so that your car can smell amazing on every venture. I'm Shyla. I'm a certified aromatherapist, and I love teaching you how to turn your essential oils into products that you can use in your home every day. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Simply Earth's new VENTURE car diffuser clip, and I'm going to show you how to make a master blend that you can use with it. So turn off those distractions because making is healing, and let's get started making this VENTURE car diffuser clip together. Before I tell you what you'll need for this recipe, we at Simply Earth are obsessed with teaching you how to create with your essential oils. This recipe comes from the Simply Earth DIY diffuser box, which is our June recipe box. When you subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box, you get the key ingredients that you need to master essential oils and products, and you get to learn a new theme each month. You can also find all of the ingredients for this recipe on simplyearth.com. I'm going to be grabbing all of my ingredients from the Simply Earth diffuser box. It has a ton of diffuser recipes in this box and everything you're going to need to make the recipe that we're going to make in this video. First things first, I'm going to grab my recipe card. Next, I'm going to grab my car diffuser clip from my recipe box and the essential oils we're going to use for this recipe: blood orange, timber, and coriander. We're also going to grab a 5 milliliter bottle from our big bonus box so that we can make our master blend. All the essential oils in this blend are super calming and refreshing. You're going to absolutely love the scent when you're on your long car rides. Our new car diffuser vent clip is also super classy looking, and it will go perfect in anyone's car. First essential oil I'm going to put onto my VENTURE car clip is blood orange. So you'll put 3 drops of blood orange. Next one, we are going to put 2 drops of our timber blend. Our timber blend has cypress, cedarwood, sandalwood, patchouli, Peru balsam, and mandarin, and you're gonna love it. And last but not least, 1 drop of coriander. Over time, the natural pigment and resin from the essential oils will collect on your little insert. So if you want to refresh the insert, we do sell these on our website. It smells absolutely amazing. Now that I've tested it and I absolutely love it, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to make a master blend that you can keep in your car so that you can refresh your car clip whenever you're ready. For the master blend, we are gonna add 50 drops of blood orange, 33 drops of timber, and 17 drops of coriander. All right, now that all my essential oils are in my bottle, I'm gonna swirl it around so that all the essential oils are mixed up. Now that my master blend is done, don't forget to label it. All right, you're all set. You can use your new car diffuser and your master blend in your car whenever you are ready. I love to see your creations on social media, so go ahead and take a picture of yourself making the recipe or the finished recipe and tag From Simply Earth with the hashtag I made this so that I can see all your lovely creations too. You'll also be entered into a contest, I Made This, and you can win a $5 gift card that you can use in your next order. Follow us for more recipes just like this.